Hi everyone, it's Suzanne in Texas with another Tuesday tip, this time about Facebook groups. I'm a member of several Facebook groups, and sometimes when I want to frequent one that I use often, it's a little difficult to find it in the shortcuts. But I learned something new last week and I thought I would share. If you're on your home news feed, and this is for a laptop, and click on shortcuts or go over here to shortcuts, the word edit will pop up. And this is one of the many ways probably to do this. Anyway, that will pop up, and then here's all my different groups. Yes, I have a lot. Sorry about that, but makes life fun. And if you'll pick out the ones that you frequent a lot and click on the down arrow over here on the right, you can pin it to the top. Find whatever other ones you might want to add, pin it to the top, and then be sure you click save. And now those two are now at the top of my shortcuts list. If you click on shortcuts, see more, sorry. There's all of them, but the ones that are pinned to the top right now are some that I frequent the most, so I don't have to scroll through and find. Anyway, I hope that little tip helps you in your day-to-day life. Now, don't forget, visit YouTube and subscribe to my channel so that you'll see more of my tips. And if you'll click on the little notification bell, you'll actually be notified when I do add new videos. Hope that helps. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.